If your Nintendo Switch is stuck on the loading screen, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get your device back to normal functioning. Step 1. Force restart the console. Press and hold the power button on the top of the console for about 12 seconds until it powers off. Wait a few moments, then press the power button again to turn it back on. Step 2. Check for system updates. Once the console is powered on, navigate to the system settings. Scroll down to System and select System Update. If an update is available, download and install it to ensure your system is up to date. Step 3. Clear cache. In the system settings, go to Data Management and select Save Data Cloud Backup. Choose the option to clear the cache. This can help resolve any corrupted data that may be causing the loading issue. Step 4. Reinsert game card. If you are trying to load a specific game, remove the game card from the console and inspect it for any dirt or damage. Clean the card gently with a soft cloth, then reinsert it and try loading the game again. Step 5. Contact Nintendo support. If none of the previous steps work, it may be time to seek professional help. Visit the Nintendo support website or contact the customer service for further assistance and potential repairs. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue on your Nintendo Switch. If problems persist, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help.